Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Algebra Solution. In ICE square root simplification problem, we have to find the value of x. Solution: square root 8 against square root 8 against square root 8 equal to 512 raised to power x. Now squaring on both sides. Here square root will remove. Eight square root 8 equal to 2 into x, that is 2x, 512 raised to power 2x. Again squaring on both sides. Eight square into under root 8 under root 8 whole square equal to 512. 2x multiply 2, that is 4x. 8 square is 64. Square root will remove, so 8 under root 8 equal to 512 raised to power 4x. Now 64 multiply 8 is equal to 512. Square root of 8 equal to 512 raised to power 4x. Now divide both sides by 512. 512 will be cancelled. Square root of 8 equal to 512 raised to power 4x divided by 512 raised to power 1. Here a raised to power m divided by a raised to power n equal to a raised to power m minus n. Now under root 8 equal to 512 raised to power 4x minus 1. This goes up. Now squaring on both sides. Square root or square will remove, so here 8 equal to 512, 2 into in bracket 4x minus 1, 8 equal to 512 raised to power 2 for x, that is 8x, 2 into minus 1 minus 2. Now 8 equal to 512 is a cube of 8. 8x minus 2, that is 8 equal to 8, 3 in bracket 8x minus 2, 8 equal to 3 8s are 24, 8 raised to power 24x, 3 2s are 6 minus 6. Bases are same, so power also same. Here power is 1, 8 8. Bases are same, so power also same. Bases are equal, so power also equal. So 1 equal to 24x minus 6. So 24x equal to 1 as it is minus 6 transfer this side plus 6. 24x equal to 7. Divide both side by 24. 24 cancel. So x equal to 7 by 24. Let's verify. Square root 8, square root 8, square root 8 equal to 512 raised to power x. Now square root of 8 into square root of 8 into square root of 8 triple square root of 8 equal to 512 raised to power x. Here x equal to, we know that value of x equal to 7 by 24. This is the value of x which we have to put here. Under square root of 8, 8 raised to power 1 by 2 into square root of double 8, square root 8 raised to power 1 by 2 raised to power 1 by 2 into 8 raised to power 1 by 2, 1 by 2, not 8, 1 by 2, here again 1 by 2, here again 1 by, here again 1 by 2 equal to 512 raised to power 7 by 24. 8 equal to 1 by 2 into 8 raised to power 1 by 4, 2 into 2 4, here 8 into 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 1 by 8 equal to 512 raised to the power 7 by 24. Here 8 raised to power 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 8 equal to 512 raised to power 7 by 24. Now here 8 raised to power, we will take the LCM is 8. 2 4s are 8, so 2 into 4 into 1, that is 4, plus 4 2s are 8, so 2 into 1, that is 2. 8 1s are 8, so here plus 1 equal to 512 raised to the power 7 by 24. 8 raised to power 7 by 8 equal to 512 raised to power 7 by 24. Now we can write here 8 raised to power 7 by 8 equal to 512 is a cube of 8. 7 by 24. So 3 ones are 3, 3 eights are 24. So 8 raised to power 7 by 8 is equal to 8 raised to power 7 by 8. So this is the same answer. Okay. So we can move back. If you are new on the channel, so subscribe the channel and share with your friends. Thanks for watching the whole video. Value of x equal to 7 by 24. Thank you. Bye bye everyone.